Israel-Gaza conflict, 2011 to 2020, a decade of tensions. Narrator, voiceover. The Israel-Gaza conflict is one of the most entrenched struggles in the modern Middle East. From 2011 to 2020, the Gaza Strip, controlled by Hamas, and Israel experienced repeated cycles of violence, fragile ceasefires, and humanitarian crises. Narrator, 2011. As the Arab Spring spread across the region, tensions simmered in Gaza. Though Gaza had been under blockade since 2007, this period saw an increase in cross-border rocket fire and Israeli airstrikes. Narrator. In November 2012, after the killing of a top Hamas military commander, Israel launched Operation Pillar of Defense. The 8-day conflict resulted in over 160 Palestinian and 6 Israeli deaths before a ceasefire was brokered by Egypt. Footage, rubble, civilians fleeing, UN reports. Narrator. The summer of 2014 saw one of the deadliest conflicts in recent memory. After the kidnapping and murder of 3 Israeli teens and the retaliatory killing of a Palestinian youth, violence escalated rapidly. Narrator. Countered. Operation Protective Edge lasted 50 days. Over 2,200 Palestinians, mostly civilians, and 73 Israelis were killed. Gaza's infrastructure was devastated. 2015 to 2017, uneasy calm footage, checkpoints, UN meetings, drone footage of Gaza. Narrator. While major operations ceased, tensions remained. Sporadic rocket fire, Israeli airstrikes, and internal political struggles within Gaza kept the region unstable. The humanitarian situation worsened under the blockade. 2018, the Great March of Return footage, protests at Gaza border, tear gas, ambulances. Narrator. In 2018, thousands of Gazans protested along the Israeli border demanding the right to return to ancestral lands. Israeli forces responded with live fire. Over 180 Palestinians were killed over several months. 2019 to 2020, proxy conflicts and ceasefires footage, night airstrikes, Iron Dome intercepts. Narrator. Militant groups like Palestinian Islamic Jihad launched rockets, triggering Israeli responses. Egypt and the UN often mediated ceasefires, but none held for long. Narrator. Countered. COVID-19 in 2020 added a new layer to the crisis, fueling poverty and health system collapse in Gaza, while diplomatic efforts remain stalled. Closing scene, hopeful music, scenes of rebuilding, children. Narrator. From 2011 to 2020, the people of Israel and Gaza lived through conflict, fear, and uncertainty. Despite the deep divisions, many on both sides continue to hope for peace. On-screen text. To understand the present, we must remember the past. Subscribe for more history in 3 minutes.